here's how we kind of show the kids how to add the link to that slideshow. This is my finished slideshow, which it's not. Students will do the same thing I'm going to do. They'll go up to this little share button, and then I'm not going to save it, so I'm going to skip that for now. Right here, it says Get Shareable Link. So click it, and it will copy it to the clipboard automatically. In Schoology, they will get to their what a robot's used for assignment. I might not have it. There it is. This assignment here, open, and I ask the students to take this text and highlight it and just make that link. So you paste this link here. I'll do that quick. Apply it. Then he submits this for grading. This link takes me to a shareable link, and I'll be able to access that file. I hope that helps.